My name is Michael Buccio, and this is my bike check. I got random grips from Vance's. Verde Regent Chrome bars, 8.8 rise. Volume stem. I have a Demolition headset and an FSA spacer. I have original Fit forks. I have Odyssey Hawk tire, GT rim, same tire and back. A Fit back rim. I have a Fit frame. You can see the Fit sign. I have a Shadow seat, fat seat. I have Stolen Mob cranks, Eastern sprocket. I have a Missionary or Mission, whatever it's called, chain. I have Walgo pedals I just got from Walmart. I'm gonna get some new ones tomorrow or Monday, whatever. I got a what's it called again? Thermalite. The seat post. I have a Shadow Conspiracy bottom bracket. And that's it. Like, rate, subscribe for more videos. Laters.